The old Caddyman's back with a tailgating type of specialty. Yeah, since football season has started, I have my Clemson shirt on. My son lives down there, and he is a huge Clemson fan, along with my granddaughters. And when we were down there visiting, we came across a Carolina barbecue sauce. So, you know my wife Angie, of course she had to create our version of it that we think's even better. Now this is more of a little runnier type barbecue sauce instead of the thick kind that we're used to here in Missouri. But the best thing about it is the taste, and you're going to love it. First you're going to start out with some yellow mustard. And I'm not going to tell you the ingredients, so you can try to make up this on your own and see if you can match the taste, okay? Alrighty. Yellow mustard, followed by honey. Yep. And of course we use local honey because we're local. All right. Brown sugar. That was easy. Okay, apple cider vinegar. Smells like it too. You know, I tried that, drinking some of that. Didn't work. All it is, made me have gas. Anyway, some Cholula, and this has chili garlic. This is new, the first time we found it, and I tell you what, really good. The flavor is very good on it. Need to try this. That's pretty much for the old Caddyman, wasn't it? Okay. Ketchup. We ran out of red gold, so we're back to the old best choice. Okay. Worcestershire. You know, I want you to know that Angie comes up with these recipes herself. We find stuff we like. She figures out a way to do it. Tries to make them all gluten-free too. And then last but not least, some garlic powder. Okay. Get it all out of there. Now, look, you see how much of this we used? It was full. Our son David loves this, so that's why we had to replenish. Now you can actually put into salt and pepper to taste. I don't know how much you put in. You put in some, and then you go from there. And now, my job is to mix this up and make it delish. Because all I have to do is take my new stir stick that I bought, add a little love while I'm mixing it up. Look at this. But see how it's a little more on the runny side? You're going to think that you've ruined it, but you haven't. Is this the way it's supposed to turn out? And it's easy to put in a squirt bottle. You can get them at the dollar store. And it's amazing. Oh, I've outdone myself again. Try this. It is so good. And it's so easy. Remember, if anybody can do it, I can do it. Or is it the other way around? If I can do it, anybody can do it. I'm not sure. The one thing I do know is you'll love the taste because it's delicious. Please come see me now. You hear? Bye now.